Hello dear learners, today we are going to discuss about multiple choice questions from drugstore and business management. In continuation with the part 1, we are starting with part 2 today on the same chapter, that is trade, industry and commerce. So to start with the part 2, the question includes, first question says, distribution of goods to consumer is, whether it is an art, whether it is an commerce, whether it is an management, whether it is an economics. So the correct answer is, it is commerce, because commerce deals with the distribution of goods to the consumer through trading, which is nothing but buying and selling of the goods, and aid to trade. That means how it will become simplest and how in a simplest way it will reach to the consumer. So these all activities comes under distribution. So commerce deals with the distribution of goods to the consumer. The next question is, commerce breaks the barrier between, whether it is an producer and consumer, whether it is a place and person, whether it is a time and banking, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is producer and consumer. Since parts of commerce or divisions of commerce are trade and aid to trade. Trade deals with buying and selling of the good, exchange of goods, and aid to trade is to make simple that trading. These includes various aids such as transport, warehousing, banking, which will remove the hindrances of different things such as place, person, time, etc. So it becomes easy for the consumer to get the products from the producer. So it breaks the barrier between production, that is producer, and consumer. Next question is, intermediate between producer and consumer is. Producer is the one who produces the goods. Consumer is one who consumes the good, that is customer. So intermediate between these two is whether it is manufacturer, whether it is lawyer, whether it is trader, or none of them. The correct answer is, it is trader, because trade is nothing but buying and selling of goods. So trader will buy the goods from the producer and take it to the consumer. So the correct answer is trader. Next question is, manufactured goods includes. Now amongst these, the first option is cloth, paper, medicine, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is all of them, because cloths is the final product, so it is manufactured good. Then paper, again it's a final product, it's a manufactured good which is consumed by consumer directly. Medicines, that includes various dosage forms such as tablet, capsules, injections, etc., which can be consumed by consumer directly. So these all are coming under manufactured goods. Next question is, goods brought and sold from one state to another state is dash. Whether it is a state trade, whether it is a interstate trade, it's a local trade, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is interstate trade, because goods are brought and sold from one state to another state, from one state and another state, that is two states. So it is interstate. So interstate trade is the correct answer. State to trade means within the state. Another state will not come into picture. Local trade is again a particular area. So the correct answer is interstate trade. Next question is, trade includes, whether it's a internal trade, the correct answer is, it is both of them. The trade includes internal trade and international trade. Internal trade is further subdivided into wholesale trade and retail trade. That means it is also known as home trade, internal trade. That means within the state and or within the country. And international trade, that is international, includes import, export, interport. So both internal as well as international trade are included in the trade. Next question is, internal trade is also known as, whether it is known as home trade, whether it is known as loan trade, whether it is both of them or none of them. The correct answer is it is home trade. That means internally it is traded or bought or sold within the state. So it is home trade, means internally it is exchanged. The next question is, international trade is also known as, international trade as the internal trade is known as home trade. So same way international trade is also known by which of these names? First is whether it is a foreign trade or external trade, wholesale trade, retail trade, or none of them. The correct answer is it is foreign trade or external trade. It is trade. So international trade. Next question is, goods purchased and sold at a particular place are, at a particular place. So whether it's a state trade, whether it's a interstate trade, whether it's a local trade, or all of them. The correct answer is it is local trade. As the word suggests, local, locally it is distributed or sold and purchased. So at a particular place means local place. The correct answer is local trade. Next question is, goods and service exchange between countries is, goods and services exchange between the countries, two countries, whether it's a foreign trade, international trade, external trade, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them, because international trade is also known as foreign trade or external trade. So the correct answer is all of them, between countries, between two countries. Next question is, which trade plays a vital role in economic development of country? As you all know, economic development of country, foreign trade is very much essential. So the options are foreign trade, international trade, external trade, or all of them. The correct answer is it is again all of them, because foreign trade means when the goods will be exchanged from country to country, it will means our country will economically develop. So this foreign trade plays a vital role in economic development of country. But foreign trade is also known as international trade, external trade. So the correct answer is it is all of them. Next question is, internal trade include dash, whether it includes wholesale trade, whether it includes retail trade, whether it is both of them or none of them. The correct answer is it is both of them. Internal trade, which is also known as home trade, includes wholesale trade as well as retail trade. Wholesale is to buy the goods in large quantities directly from the manufacturer and sell them to retailer, and retail trade is the goods are distributed in smaller quantities and it reaches directly to the consumer. So it is retail trade and it is the final stage in the distribution. So the correct answer is it is both of them. Foreign trade includes whether it's import trade, export trade, interport trade, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them, because foreign trade is importing something from foreign country to our own country. Exporting is, export trade includes the goods of one country, bring it to other country is export. Then for example, India sells clothes to other countries or tea to other countries, like that, garments to other countries. Interport trade is nothing but it is also known as re-export trade, that is goods from one country are goods from one country are taken and they are sold to other country by the idea of exporting. So the correct answer is it is all of them. Next question is, when goods are brought from foreign country, it is import trade, export trade, interport trade or retail trade. The correct answer is it is import trade. Importing means bringing the goods from foreign country to our own country. So when the goods are brought from foreign country, it is import trade. The next question is, when goods are sold to the foreign country, it is import trade, export trade, when goods are export trade. So the correct answer is export trade. Is buying, export is selling, entreport is buying from one and selling it to other. So the correct answer is export trade. Next question is, dash is also known as re-export trade. So as the word suggests, re-export, that means purchasing it from one and selling it to some other. So options are import trade, export trade, entreport trade or retail trade. The correct answer is it is entrepot trade, which is also known by the name re-export trade. That means re-exporting the things. For example, India imports good from Japan, China, Singapore, etc. and with the selling, means with the importing the goods, it sells to other countries with a margin of profit. So it is entrepot trade. Next question is, functions of commerce are, whether it's transport, banking, insurance or all of them. The correct answer is it is banking. Commerce includes banking, finance, etc. Now here these other things like transport, insurance, warehousing, packaging, all are aid to trades for trading. Means they make it simple, like how the goods will be reaching to the consumers at a easiest way, and that too economical way. Next question is, dash removes the obstacle of place. Now as you all know, there are various hindrances and there are aid to trade also to remove these hindrances. So in trading, when we buy the goods, when we sell the goods, which it's a part of. So in trading there are certain difficulties, there are certain hurdles, there are certain hindrances you can call. So how that hindrances or obstacles can be removed? So there are various obstacles. Obstacle of place, obstacle of time, hindrance of person, etc. So dash removes the obstacle of place amongst these. The first option is transport, banking, insurance, warehousing. The correct answer is it is transport. Transport will make easy to reach the manufactured good to the consumer. With this, I thank you all, and we will continue the third part of trade, industry and commerce with the MCQs. Thank you.